Settling down with settle down, understanding this English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the phrase, settle down. This common phrase in English can be quite confusing due to its various meanings and uses. So, let's unravel its meanings together. Settle down primarily means to become calm or quiet. It's often used in situations where someone is being noisy or restless. For example, a teacher might say to a noisy class, "Please settle down, we have a lot to cover today." This usage is all about restoring peace or calmness. Another common use of settle down is in the context of personal life, where it means to start living a stable and orderly life. Often, this is associated with establishing a family or a long-term relationship. For instance, after years of traveling, she decided to settle down and start a family. Here, it implies a transition from a more chaotic or transient lifestyle to a more stable and routine one. In the context of an argument or disagreement, settle down can be used to tell someone to calm down or become less angry. For example, during a heated discussion, someone might say, "Let's all settle down and discuss this calmly." It's a way of reducing tension and bringing the conversation back to a more manageable and less emotional level. Interestingly, settle down can also be used colloquially or humorously. Sometimes, friends might say to each other, "Settle down, will you?" as a light-hearted way of saying, "Stop overreacting," or "Calm down," about something not so serious. It's important to understand the tone and context when this phrase is used in this manner. I hope this video has helped clarify the different meanings and uses of settle down. Remember, context is key in understanding its exact meaning in conversation. Happy learning, and don't forget to settle down with some more of our English language learning videos. See you next time.